Oppo has now officially announced the Oppo Watch X today at the Malaysia. Oppo Watch X will feature a stainless steel chassis and sapphire crystal watch face. It'll be available in two colors, platinum black and Mars brown. The new watch will have up to 100 hours of battery life, or up to 48 hours with heavy usage, with a larger 500 mAh battery and support for 10W charging. Oppo Watch X has a premium design and useful buttons, an elevated surface on the right-hand side, housing the two hardware buttons. The back shows off what appears to be a pin charging system and large health sensor. Oppo Watch X could feature a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 x 466 pixels. The panel refreshes at a constant 60 Hz and has a claimed high brightness mode of 1000 nits. Oppo using a sapphire crystal to protect the circular display. The smartwatch using Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 chipset and an RTOS, which runs on the BES 2700, with support for 2GB of RAM and 32GB storage. The Oppo Watch X is to run on Google's Wear OS 4. The combination of RTOS and 2700 is running most of the show in the background, including low-level activities and things like connectivity, sleep and heart rate tracking, and fitness tracking. Has dual-frequency GPS for more precise location tracking. The Oppo Watch X will start at R$1,399. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.